Understanding, thrown into relief. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that can really add depth to your understanding and use of the language. The phrase we're focusing on is thrown into relief. It's a vivid expression that can help you paint a clearer picture with your words, especially when describing situations, characters, or ideas. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples to make it all click. Stay tuned. Thrown into relief is a metaphorical phrase that originates from the world of art and sculpture. Imagine how a light source can highlight certain features of a sculpture, making them stand out against a darker background. Similarly, in language, when something is thrown into relief, it means that it is made to stand out more noticeably or distinctly against a backdrop of other details or situations. This expression is often used to describe a situation where certain events or circumstances highlight or emphasize the importance, value, or characteristics of someone or something. Using thrown into relief correctly involves context where a contrast is made clear or more evident because of certain conditions. Here's how you can use it. 1. In descriptive writing. It's great for setting scenes or characters apart in stories, essays, or articles. For example, the kindness of the protagonist is thrown into relief against the backdrop of the selfish society in which he lives. 2. In analytical discussions. When discussing themes, ideas, or trends, especially in academic or critical analyses. For instance, the economic disparities were thrown into relief during the crisis, highlighting the gap between the rich and the poor. 3. In everyday conversations, to emphasize a change or contrast that has made something more apparent. After the blackout, the importance of emergency preparedness was thrown into relief. To help solidify your understanding, let's look at a few examples. The recent events have thrown the need for mental health awareness into relief, making it a topic of widespread discussion. Her bravery was thrown into relief against the fear that gripped everyone else in the room. The simplicity of rural life is often thrown into relief when compared to the hustle and bustle of city living. And that's a wrap on Thrown into Relief. We hope this video has illuminated this expressive phrase for you, making your English conversations and writings even more vivid and impactful. Remember, language is an art, and phrases like these allow you to paint with words, creating strong impressions and meaningful expressions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!